We're under tornado warning here at Cooper Ridge. Kind of quiet right now, just severe lightning. Coming out of Clinton County. There it is. It's all around us. It's just was real windy. Wind died down there. There it goes. I've got it on camera, trying to catch something on video if I can. I don't know if it will or not, other than a lot of lightning. Ooh, that was a wild bunch of lightning. It's not exactly on us. It's where's the tornado supposed to be at? Pull up the radar on your phone and you can track it. Look for the echo. It's a lightning show anyway, guys. We are under a tornado warning. Ooh.
That's just on the lake.
I hate to be on the lake right now. That's why I told her I don't go when it's giving storms. I hear a couple drops of hail fall on the roof here. Too. Hail is one thing you gotta watch for in a tornado. Awful calm out. But other than the rain and lightning, that's back to the west there. It's kind of southwest there. I'm trying to keep the phone up, catch that lightning. Oh yeah. It's bright. Somebody just sent me a message on Facebook. One on the ground somewhere or another. Where's that tornado on the ground out there? Sent me a message. Huh?
Mrs. Molly and I got up there reading. They said it's here.
What?
They're going somewhere, but they don't know where they're going.
Who?
Molly and they said it's here. They don't know where to go.
It's bypassed us. It's going north of us. Her mom and them's escaping the trailer and they don't know where to go. It's up on top of us. I'm not hearing no sirens. It's kind of north of us. Getting bad here, guys. Getting scary. Let's go in and see what she says they're going.
Maybe we should get another Johnny. We're going something. They don't know where
It seems like it's going north of us. Let me pause it a minute. It seems like it's going north of
They
us.
said the one on the ground here.
Not here, they're not. We'd be blown away, but I mean, they might be somewhere in the county, but I don't hear no roaring or nothing, or no sirens.
Yeah. Well, should we go to Johnny's now?
I don't know where all the storm shelters are at Wayne County.
Real calm here, and what you just said.
Yeah, it usually calms down before they hit.
Hey, the tornado siren, she said, it's going off in town.
Tornado siren
Yeah,
going
right
off in
now.
Monticello. All right.
Maybe we should go to Johnny's though.
I think we're all.
She said they're going off everywhere in town right now.
I think it's back this way. If it is, it's past us, and we'll just run
She
into
said
it.
they're going off in town right now.
Well, they're not going off down here. I think it's done past us. It's not even raining here now. Let's get out and see here.
She said it's a still up there. Yeah. It's still here too.
Still here too, but
They're going off like crazy.
we're outside in it right now, honey.
You see, like,
It's went around us. That little old lady's got a basement over there.
oh, I just want to go somewhere that's not this truck.
Woo!
Yeah, we're in here.
Yeah, I
She
see.
said it's completely still up there and they're going off like crazy.
I know it's going north. It's going north of us. So that's Beaver Creek. That's Beaver Creek through there.
She said the wind, nothing. It's completely still up
I know,
there.
but it's still going. It seems like it's going a little north of us.
Johnny, I think we should go to dinner. I'm starting to go up again.
We can't go up town. Though. That's where it's hitting at.
Johnny. If it's that bad, not here in this trailer or like Johnny's or
I don't see nothing here yet.
She Nothing's better besides a 10 trailer.
Not a 10 cars, huh? What? It's possible. Well, come.
To go somewhere. Wait a minute. National Weather Service. Tornado warning in the area until 11. Take shelter in the basement room of the lower floor of if you are outdoors. Shelter. It's on the ground down here in town.
Have they spotted the tornado? Now we're getting flood and rain. Sirens going off in town. We don't know where the tornadoes are. Don't know to run or stay. But there's Cooper Ridge. Right there. There's Beaver Creek, Otter Creek. And we're sitting right in between them there. Let me get back and see it there. We're mainly in the heavy rain situation. Pull it on up there. It looks like it's going through Ramsey's Point. That direction. Well, we're all right here. We go north or south, we're gonna run into it. See the severe red right south of us here? That's heavy, heavy rain in that. No, it don't pick up tornadoes. It's just rain, dude. Well, I got it on somebody's.
I was just saying, I think it would be better to save from this situation. And then when it gets bad here,
Right there's the one's hitting us right now. And we're right in there. Where's Wayne County? Wayne County's covered up with it right now. But there's just that one little echo hook right there and a little hook right there. There's not many hooks in it, see? But right there, see that big red dot right there? That was over Albany. Draw in on it. We're kind of in the eye. That hook right there's way above us. That's what we seen come through north a while ago. I seen all that lightning out of.
can I have the phone back now?
Right there's what we seen. We're right here. Albany's getting hit hard by rain or something. Possible tornado. It was just a few minutes ago. It ain't been over 10 minutes. Now the thunder and stuff's gone. It still went through. Now wait for the next wave. If them comes out from north, look back there. We don't know. I don't think there's been a tornado, but they sirens was going off in Monticello, but sound like a little hail on the roof, but I think it went north of us. All right, guys, we missed the first one, but the night's still young. Yeah, it's clearing off down here now. But they're claiming there's one south to us, and they're claiming there's one out in the mountain where I was born and raised at. A system. Well, I seen it on radar. It was rougher.
Where is west of Monticello?
West, we're not. Well, we're.
West Monticello is.
Parnell's west of Monticello.
That's where it's at right now. It said it's at 65 miles per hour.
They're wrong. Parnell's a mile over this way. It can't be 65 mile an hour wind to Parnell. They're wrong. This Parnell ain't but a mile this way, honey. We would be.
It's moving that way right now.
It's clear back in there. I'm looking. I'm sorry, but it is. Look, you see the clouds. Well, no, there's some lightning.
Said it's moving that way.
Towards
right now,
Parnell.
65 miles per hour. Said if you live down that way, you better get out.
Yes, Parnell area is west of Monticello.
What you say about West Monticello? What'd you?
It's clearing up down there now.
Northern Wayne County.
Northern Wayne County.
South Central Kentucky.
Wait a minute.
Southeastern Pulaski County.
Southeastern, that's
South
our home.
Kentucky. At 11:30 and at 11:05 p.m. a severe thunderstorm.
That's the one went north of us.
Campbell or something producing a tornado.
Capable of producing.
I mean, yeah.
It's definitely headed out in towards the mountains. One system is, but we don't know. We're confused. They're scared. We really got nowhere to go. It's kind of clearing up here now. We're getting wind now. That'll scare them to death. But it's kind of headed north. North. The tornado warning's in northern Wayne County, southern Pulaski County. Out in there where I make them videos at all the time. But I think it's kind of bypassed us. It's not that bad out right now, huh? pretty cloud. I don't know if I get it on video or not. I guess it's a cloud. What was Albany reporting? Nothing. Where's that now? Tornado warning in the area until 12 Eastern time. Take shelter now in a basement or interior room, the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Let's see what's giving that. Outdoor, don't be in motor vehicles, mobile homes. It keeps kicking off on me. But what part is it saying though? I hate storms. Yeah, it's coming their way.
Coming everybody's way.
Well, yeah, it's a big storm. Middle Springs, Fraser, where is them communities? Nord, Pulaski.
Where's West Monticello?
West Marcellus done come through.
It hadn't come through yet. It said it was headed that way at 65 miles per hour.
When?
Just a few seconds ago.
Where's it at? We're looking for it right now. It's the one we watched a while ago. It's not come through yet.
Monticello, Kentucky radar.
Head
to Pulaski County.
Pulaski County, not around Kendall. We're in the clear. If it was that big bad storm y'all watched go north of us, y'all take a breather now. We're safe. Now you may get thunder, lightning, wind. I don't know. It's they never let the sirens off down here, but northern Wayne County, where I was born and raised at, out in there, if you watch our videos, supposed to have tornadoes on the ground. They're letting the sirens off, and that's where they had them in '74, and they killed all them people back in '74. And I need to do a little history on them tornadoes out there, where they come through at, and they took a couple lives out in there. But it went north of us, but it had them scared because we didn't.